A little cold this morning. Seem to be having some type of clutch problem. Not exactly sure. Hopefully you guys in the forums can help me out here. What am I at? 130. Let's zoom in here. It's fucking cold. 135,424 miles. This car has never given me a single issue until now. Really sucks right after the holidays. No money. Yada yada yada. Okay, right off the bat, you can see gears go great. Nothing really seems wrong here. Start. Okay. Neutral. Brake up. And I don't know if you can see, but that. Making sounds, I don't like that. Cold. You can see the windows are all frosted up. Hear too a little bit of a chatter when I let off the accelerator. You can hear it better over here. That wound, there's a little chatter. The engine starts slowing down. Oh man, cold. Oh, I'm shivering. Hate the fucking cold. Fuck is that smell? My shit. Motor seems to be running fine. You know. Hopefully, I'll give another rev with the camera over here. I don't know how good the microphone is in this thing. We're gonna put this fucking thing to a call. Yeah, right here.